How to change Weverse username. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the Weverse username. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that the Weverse application is installed in your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, in order to change your username on Weverse, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen once you're in the home page. From here, simply tap on My Account, which is beside your name. This will take you to a new browser. And here you can see the nickname or the name option in the top of the screen that is under My Info section. Now, whether you want to change your username or the nickname, go ahead and tap on Change. Delete your previous username or nickname and then enter a new one. Once you're done, tap on Save from the bottom of the screen and you'll be done. Likewise, you can go ahead and change your name as well. Tap on Change, enter a new name that you'd like to set, and first you need to go ahead and add your last name followed by your first name, and then tap on Save in the bottom and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can change your nickname or name or username on Weverse. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.